In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Chatgpt for LinkedIn. This tool is incredibly useful and can significantly enhance the effectiveness of your LinkedIn profile. So, let's dive in and explore how it works. First things first, you need to navigate to Chatgpt. Open up your web browser and in the search bar, type in Chatgpt. Once you've accessed the site, you'll be ready to utilize this powerful AI tool to your advantage. Chatgpt can assist in refining your LinkedIn presence by creating engaging and more targeted content. To get started, ensure that you're logged in or create an account if you haven't done so yet. Having an account allows you to track your queries and get the most out of your interactions with the AI. Now, let's move on to one of the most critical components of your LinkedIn profile, your headline. A well-crafted headline can make a significant difference in how you're perceived by potential recruiters or business partners. You want it to be both engaging and packed with relevant keywords. This is where Chatgpt comes in handy. Ask it to help rewrite your headline to make it more keyword-rich and attention-grabbing. For instance, you might start by telling Chatgpt a bit about what you do, the industry you work in, and any specific skills or accomplishments you want to highlight. Chatgpt can then suggest improvements or entirely new versions that better capture your professional identity. To illustrate, if your current headline simply reads Project Manager, you could ask Chatgpt to compose something more compelling. The AI might suggest Innovative Project Manager, specializing in cross-functional team leadership and strategic planning. The goal here is to ensure your headline not only reflects your role, but also hints at your unique value and skills. Consider this revised headline as an invitation for others to learn more about you and what you bring to the table. As you review the suggestions provided by Chatgpt, remember to balance creativity with professionalism. While AI can generate great ideas, it's essential to ensure the final result aligns with your personal style and the brand you wish to convey. Be open to experimenting with different options until you find the perfect fit. Using Chatgpt to enhance your LinkedIn profile is a straightforward process that can leave a significant impact. Whether you're actively seeking new opportunities or just want to keep your profile polished and up to date, leveraging AI for this task is a smart move. Simply follow these steps, personalize the suggestions to fit your needs, and watch as your LinkedIn presence becomes more dynamic and engaging. Thank you for watching, and I hope you find this approach as beneficial as many others have. Keep these tips in mind, and remember that the right words can open the doors to new opportunities. Until next time, happy networking!